Hey folks, since we are all going to be using Canvas a lot more and perhaps using Canvas in different ways, I thought I'd like to take a second to demonstrate what I've been doing. I make a lot more use of modules than I did before. I actually never used them before. So this is the set of modules I've got for my History of Math class. So the way I see it, a module is a convenient way to collect a bunch of things in a group that are meant to show up together. So you can see here I've got a bunch of things in this module for chapter 5 of my course. The main things I do are assignments, quizzes, and pages. So I'll just make a new module here. The new module will be called Chapter 9. Where did that go? The new module will be called Chapter 9. Now, you can add some settings right here. I usually don't do it, but you can have these open up at a particular time if you don't want your Chapter 9 module to show up until you're done with Chapter 8. You can pick that date. You can also add a prerequisite, and the prerequisites can be anything. They could have completed Chapter 8 to do this module. In fact, let's add that prerequisite. They can't see this module until they've done the stuff in Chapter 8. So we add module, and let's see, down here we see the Chapter 9 module. You'll notice it is not published yet. Now, in the module, you can add things by hitting that plus button right there. As I said, the main things I add are pages, assignments, and quizzes. So I'll start by adding a page, and I want to add a new page. And let's call it Newton's Principia. And a page is a place where I kind of collect my notes, links to videos, anything that I want the student to look at or view before they get to a quiz or another assignment. And tell you what, I'll also add a quiz. Now a quiz is something that can get graded automatically in Canvas, and in this course I've been giving them things called reading quizzes. So I'll do reading quiz 8, and I'll add that, and oh gosh, what the heck, I'll add an assignment, and I'll make it a new assignment, and it'll be called Zoom meeting, because I just want the students in this class to check in with me via Zoom, so I'm actually going to make that an assignment. Now, these are all kind of empty right now. I have to go in to each individual component and edit that material. Okay, now, one important thing here is, notice none of these are published. I can publish all of them at once by clicking this button. It'll publish the module and everything in it. Note that if you publish each of these individual things but don't publish the module, they won't be able to see it. So I think it's best to just hit publish on the module, and then everything will go live once you're ready for that.